Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Rico in here and we are back again with another video. So right now we are talking about the Legend of Constellation and ang topic natin for today is focused only on depositing and withdrawals. So yung last video ko kasi is medyo rushed yung video na yon. But right now we will be having an in-depth deposit and withdrawal since ayan yung mga usually tinatanong. But if you're interested in investing in this game, you guys still have a few days before ma-expired yung $15 dito na promo. And if you guys buy this Draco, which is around $30, you guys can get 7.5 USDT cashback from the B community. So, mag-message lang kayo sa akin, DM nyo ako sa Discord if you guys are interested in investing on this one, okay? Now, ang gagawin natin is tuturuan kayo kung paano mag-deposit and mag-withdraw. So, right now, kung makikita nyo dito, this LOCC is the profit of my heroes for yung bundle ko. It's actually 6 days ko na siya na-claim. And for the bundle naman na binili ko na yung hero pack last time na $446 something is nakapag-claim na ako ng 2 cycle. No? So ito na yung natin, LOCC natin. And meron din tayong nakuhang LOCC from the commission and dun sa ruleta. No? So ngayon, ang gagawin natin is pupunta tayo dito for if you guys are interested in depositing and withdrawal. Punta tayo dito sa depositing. Sa depositing natin, you guys have an option. Pwede kayong bumili dito. No? Pero hindi ko to recommended. Pero if trip nyo bumili dito, okay lang din naman. If ito yung gusto nyo bilhin, you just have to click this $15, diba? So yung C2C natin guys, this C2C naman is pwede kayong bumili gamit yung GCash nyo. If hindi talaga accessible sa inyo yung mga Binance, pwede kayong bumili ng GCash. Pero sobrang laki ng fee dyan guys. So kiklik nyo lang tong GCash. Then after you click the GCash, kailangan yung isend dun sa tao na lalabas dito, yung pera dito, kay Rafi Tutor na 0965-875-132-1325. Then you send yung number, then isend nyo na lang sa kanya yung proof na nagbayad na kayo, okay? And after that one, if wherever naman gusto nyo naman bumili gamit ng Binance, you just have to send those money into the Tron Network. So yun yung sinabi natin from our last video na Tron Network yung pagsesendan nyo, no? So ikakopy nyo lang yung address na to, then confirm. Then after nyo siya makopy, pupunta na lang kayo ng Binance nyo. So you just have to put your address dito. Ayan, kagaya ito yung address ko, 'di ba? Mag-automatic siya na Tron, pero pag hindi nag-automatic na Tron, guys, Tron yung ilalagay nyo dito na network. Then you just have to put your 15 USDT dito. Pero usually 16 yan kasi para may network fee kasi dito sa Binance na 1 USDT, no? So you just have to withdraw this one, then okay na 'yon. Then after nyo ma-withdraw, dadating na yan sa account nyo. And Kuya Rico, paano naman if gusto ko mag-cash out? So right now, pag-uusapan naman natin is cash out withdrawals. So kita niyo yung LOCC natin dito. I already have 131.9349 LOCC, di ba? So if ika-cash out natin yan, you just have to click the max. Meron tayong fee na always na 0.3% nung total LOCC balance nyo, no? Nung USDT. So yung balance natin na 131 LOCC is actually $46.29. Okay lang naman if mag-cash out kayo ng ganyan na may fee, okay lang naman yan. Kada swap to guys. So if ever na you guys have a lot of LOCC, it's still the same. May 0.3 pa rin kayo. Even though maliit lang yung ika-cash out nyo, may 0.3 pa rin. So scaling naman siya. Hindi siya nag-i-scale masyado. So okay na yan. So ang tax natin is 0.13 USDT, which is around 10 pesos lang naman yan, no? So just have to click start to convert. Yan. So right now we have 57 USDT. And now wala na tayong LOCC, di ba? Kung makikita nyo dito, we already have the 57 USDT. So may 57 USDT na tayo. Now, we are going to our wallet. Then kung makikita nyo dito, we have 57 USDT which is around 3471 PH peso. So punta tayo sa withdrawal. You just have to put your max here. Ang maka-cash out daw natin is 3,124 pesos, no? So, just click continue. Then, ilalagay natin dito, guys, is USDT TRC tayo, guys. Bakit? Bakit nga ba, Kuya Rico, USDT TRC? Pag nag-withdraw ka, guys, gamit ang GCash, kung makikita nyo dito, 18% yung fee natin dito, which is 500 pesos yung bawas. Pero kapag USDT ka lang, ang bawas lang sa'yo na fee is 1.15 USDT lang, which is napakababa lang yan. So, dito tayo pupunta sa USDT TRC 20, okay? So, submit natin yan. Then, after that one, okay na yon. Since ang kailangan nyo kasi dito is kailangan nyo i-set up dito yung payment method nyo, guys. If hindi nyo sinet up yung payment method nyo dito, which is ito nga, yan, kailangan yung set up to. Kailangan ito yung nakalagay sa Binance yung TGY, LDZ yung address natin. So, punta ulit tayo ng Binance natin. And when you're here na sa ating Binance, you just have to click deposit USDT. Yan. Then, lalagay nyo lang dito is Tron Network TRX. And kung ano yung nakalagay dito na TGY MR5 na yan, something, is ayan din yung address ko dito. Ibig sabihin, yung pera natin is masasend directly sa ating Binance, no? So, that's basically it. Ganun lang kadali. So, Saan ko nga ba marerecommend mag-withdrawal dito sa ating LOCC? Punta kayo guys sa Binance. Kailangan nyo talaga magkaroon ng Binance account. So, nakapag-request na tayo ng USDT kanina. So, ibig sabihin nun yung withdrawal natin, waiting for verification na siya. Okay? And gaano nga ba katagal? So, in a few minutes guys, so naghintay lang ako. Actually, nagulat nga ako. After a few minutes kasi, naghintay lang ako, may kachat lang ako. And after that one, kita nyo dito, wala na tayo USDT. Dumating na pala agad yung withdrawal natin. Nagulat ako kasi actually, ini-expect ko tomorrow pa siya dadating. Pero makikita nyo dito, nag-approve agad siya ng 12:58 and 1:09 pa lang yung oras ngayon. No? Actually, 20 minutes ago pa lang yung withdrawal ko. And nakakuha na ako ng 57.86 USDT. And if hindi kayo naniniwala, pakita ko sa inyo yung laman ng ng Binance ko. Kasi actually, nag-ubos na ako ng laman dito kasi meron tayong spare wallet or ano. So, ayan. Kung makikita nyo dito, we have the 58 USDT. Ayun na yung USDT natin. And tingnan natin dito, we have the 56.71 USDT na deposit from our Binance, no? And ayun no, same lang siya dito, 57.86, 56.71, no? So, since may tax siya, minus 115, minus nyo na lang, 56.71 yan, no? So, napakabilis nung cash out natin, guys. Cash out, gang! Let's go! Let's go! So, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video and I hope that you guys learned something. And yeah, if you guys are interested in investing on this one, no, so always do your research and invest only what you can afford to lose. Gaya nga na lagi ko sinasabi. Kasi ako, I'm just investing and risking. So, what I have right now. So, gaya nga nasabi ko lagi, just invest using your spare money. Kung mayroon ka lang extra money for risking, no. So, try nyo tong game na to. Baka naman pumaldo kayo dito. And if hindi man, it's totally fine. Kasi spare money nyo naman yun, ano. So, hindi ko nire-recommend na mangutang kayo para invest kayo dito. Okay? Thank you guys for watching this video. And that's all. If you guys have any questions, just drop your comments below. And if meron kayong comments na maganda, we will be highlighting it on our next video. Bye-bye!